We are talking about Love Field here this morning, 81 degrees, those temperatures heading out the door. It's going to be on the warm side here for you again, and it is going to be heating up. So this is the coolest time of the morning. So if you have to get out, get a little exercise in, take advantage of these upper 70s. Heading over to Arlington right now at 79, along with DeSoto, getting out to Plano as well, and those upper 70s as you get up toward Pilot Point, heading over into Wise County, 75 as we get out to Chico here this morning. So we are looking at the warm temperatures again this morning. Heats up this afternoon, more triple-digit heat coming our way. Probably not getting close to that record. That's 105 back in 08, but we're going to be up around 101, maybe 102 heading over to Fort Worth. Maybe a little bit hotter in a few spots, maybe getting up as hot as 103 in some locations later today, in the upper 90s outside of that here for this afternoon. Now we'll see that heat index though up around 106 to 107. Heading over to Dallas, Fort Worth, maybe as hot as 108 as we head up to McKinney and Denton here with that heat index. So yes, it's going to be plenty hot out there. Again, that heat advisory goes through this evening at 8 p.m., but this will extend through the rest of the week as well. So here's the heat advisory, just about all of North Texas included in that. Again, with that heat index maybe as hot as 109, what that feels like temperature here for today. So the hot temperatures, they're going to be sticking around, it does look like, for a while. More triple-digit heat and really no rain on the horizon at all for us. Maybe a slim chance, very slim, as we get into the weekend as that weak front moves in, but make sure you do exercise all the necessary heat precautions because this will be a long stretch of near triple-digit temperatures here over the next few days. Now, as we look at that 6-day outlook, taking us on into the weekend, we'll be up around 102, maybe as hot as 103 through the end of the week. And look at that heat index. It could climb as high as 110 by late in the week. I mentioned a little bit of relief on the weekend, still going to be up around 101 there on Saturday, but a weak front does work its way in. We'll see those winds come around out of the north as we go through the day on Saturday, and that will help shave a few degrees off of those daytime highs heading into Sunday. Maybe those morning lows a little bit might feel a little bit better as well, as we should be below 80 degrees. Now, as we look at that 14-day forecast, again, that's about all the relief that we are going to see, as we'll be looking at those upper 90s as we get into Sunday. Those winds come around out of the north and northeast for at least a couple of days, and we'll start out maybe on the less hot side, we'll call it that, on Monday, with that high still below 100, but then the triple-digit heat, it is back as we head toward the second half of that 14-day forecast. We'll keep those triple-digit temperatures sticking around.